Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your own nails at home. These are my natural nails that I've been growing out for a while, and I'm going to show all the products that I do use to make my nails grow nice and also to keep them from breaking while they're growing. This one, my pinky did break, if you can tell, so I'm starting over for that one. I'm going to show all the products I'm using. I'm also going to list them down below. Fair warning, I do have my nail tech license, so designs are much easier for me to do, so if you're a beginner, it's okay. Freshman year of high school, I started working at a nail salon and I loved it there. Unfortunately, I only worked there for like 2 years and then it got kind of repetitive for me and it wasn't like my kind of scene. I left for college, so I ended up just like getting my nail tech license through them, and I'm not practicing, but I do my own nails and I do my roommate's nails all the time, so I just have fun doing them. We're gonna turn these into something glamorous and beautiful. We're gonna clean up these nails and get them ready for some new polish. I am going to be using this dust collector. It's from Amazon and I would highly recommend you get one of these because it's just so much easier when you're getting the stuff off your nails. It just sucks up all the dust and stuff and you don't inhale it. I'm going to be using my ceramic bit to take off the polish and just debulk some of the product that's already on there. Okay, we are done debulking all the product off the nails, and these are just my natural nails. Next, I'm going to go in with my cuticle pusher and just push back all of my cuticles. I like to take the ceramic bit and just on a very low setting go around my cuticle after pushing them up and just clean up like the majority of the bulk of it, and then go in with my clippers. If you're not comfortable with going in with a ceramic bit around your cuticles, you can take that off and use your sander around your cuticles before you actually nip them. You're gonna grab your trusty dusty cuticle cutters and we're gonna start cutting our cuticles. This is such an important step because you don't want your cuticles in the way when you're painting. So now that they're all like pushed up and stuff, we're just gonna go in and we're gonna snip them all off. Just cleaned up around, and now I'm going to wash my hands and then we are gonna get rid of this and start getting ready to apply our first layer of our base coat. After shaping, washed my nails and they are all ready and prepped to paint. Clean and nice, almost like you just got a little manicure. Before you start painting, you want to make sure that your nail is dehydrated. I use this one to dehydrate my nails, make sure there's no oils left over, and just further prep for the paint. The two polishes that I use are the DMD. It's the base coat as well as the top coat gel. I'll do about 3 layers of this before starting to paint anything. That's how like I've been able to grow my nails out so long, because I build the base up so that it doesn't break. This is the lamp that I use. It's just a dome lamp. This can be found on Amazon and I'll link them all down below. This is what it's looking like after 2 coats, and I'm about to do my last one. After I do my last one, I'm gonna start with my painting of whatever design I want to do. I'm not showing myself do my left hand because it's difficult to do on camera, so for the main part it's gonna be my right hand that I'm demonstrating on. But basically everything you do on the right, do on the left, and so on. Some people might think that it might be thick, but it's actually really not. All you do is just do like very, very thin layers, and you'll find that it doesn't get thick at all. It stays natural and it makes it look like you're just like your natural nail. Now that we've applied all the 3 layers of the base coat, I am going to go in with my first color, and I'm only going to do 1 coat of this, and it is from D&D. My camera died, so we had to switch to the phone camera, do a little bit of improvising. How I like to do my French tip is that I just go just in the middle, how high I want it, and then I'll go to the side and I'll connect it with that top. Same thing with the other side, and connect it with that top. And that's basically your start to your French tip, and you just fill it in. I like my French tip to look like they're on Ozempic, so I do a very like thin line. But like I said, how I do my French tip, I just go how high I want it, mark the line in the middle, and then you go from one side, connect, other side, connect, and then fill the rest in. Everybody does their French tip a little differently. I've seen different methods. I like to freehand it just in case you need to like fix the sides. You want one side a little bit higher, then it just gives you a little bit more freedom. And those are the first 2. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of them, and then I'll be back. I decided last minute that I'm gonna put some chrome on top. I'm just gonna scrub on the chrome. Guys, chrome, it looks so good. It just elevates it and makes it shine so good. So scrub on your chrome. Like I said, I'm gonna like link everything I use. This is probably my favorite comb because it just makes your nail look so pretty. Time for my favorite part, which is the decoration. I think I'm gonna try and do something Valentine's on top of the chrome, so let's see if it works. Let's just try a simple heart right here. So guys, a heart is so easy to do. All you do is do 2 dots near each other, and then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna drag them towards each other. Just like so, and you have a cute little heart on a thing. I think I'm gonna do a couple of them randomly throughout like my nail, just to stick with the Valentine's Day theme. Okay, so I just finished doing the hearts on my left hand, and now I'm just gonna put top coat on, and then we're gonna put some oil around them, and we're done. When I'm done, I like to take this little file and just go around the sides and like make sure there's no sharp edges or like if there's any spillage on the sides, you can clean them up and just refine the shape and make them look nice. I'm officially done with my nails. I did a little Valentine's Day inspo since it is coming up, but it's just little hearts and with the French tip and chrome. Like I said, this will grow your nails out so well, and that's the only way I've been able to achieve like the length that I have and maintain it. Just put this every single night, and yeah. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys can buy all this stuff and do it yourself. And if you're a beginner and you think you can't do it, yes you can, because a couple years ago I didn't think I could do it, and now here I am saving money doing my own nails, and they look pretty decent if I do say so myself. So